What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. The big question we always ask ourselves and ask everybody and anybody who's willing to give us an answer is the crypto market bottom in? And none of us have a crystal ball, right? But 2023, I think, Austin, no matter what, I think it's surprised a lot of people. We're 12 days in here at the time of this recording here, and it's been a pretty positive start to the year. Really positive start to the month. We didn't really know what was going to happen without hearing from the feds in terms of an interest rate hike this month. Got CPI data out now, pretty decent there. What do you think? I mean, so if you had to weight this 100%, what are the odds that the bottom is in versus we're still going to see some lower lows? By the way, those lower lows would probably be somewhere in the neighborhood of don't quote me on this, I'm not looking at the chart, somewhere like 14.5, I think, was it? I think
for Bitcoin.
Yeah, it dialed back just below 15K, I think, at one point.
Well, it used to be 10. So how did we go from 10 to 14? And I know you're not making that number up. I think here's the thing. You ask 10 people, you ask 10 crypto people who do TA and they do all the analysis, and you're going to get probably a fairly even split of 5 and 5 or 6 and 4 that are going to be like, yeah, the bottom's this, that. We got the halving next year for Bitcoin. Now we're talking about Bitcoin, but we're also talking about it in the context of the larger market. Sure. I think the answer is that the bottom is not in. I still think we have some more downside risk. I would like to be able to sit here and say it's because of this big, macro factor out there that's still out there. I think we had FTX, SBF, but I don't really see any more fallout maybe from that. I mean, we still got a little bit, but I think that's been digested. I think that the bottom's not in. I hope that you're right that 14 may be the new bottom, if you will, and not maybe 10 or 8. That's what I think, man.
Yeah, from what I've looked at, I've heard 12K. I mean, that's the number that seems to pop up a lot with some of the people like that I watch and listen to quite a bit. I think no matter what, we got to look at it as one big opportunity. If we get that one more big dip, again, it's one more opportunity to pack your bags and get ready for the next run upward. So I think we're going to close out the video. Go ahead.
Well, what the Fed does on February 1 with raising the rates or not, I think that's going to send a message. But regardless, they're going to be kicking the can a little bit. They still got to lower interest rates. We're still going to have, lower inflation. We're still going to have more interest rate hikes. But I think people are ready to start investing again in January, and I think that we'll see. And I'll end on this note. I think that the high for Bitcoin and by default, the crypto market going up could be 30, 35. I think we could see that at some point for BTC this year. So
yep.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a legitimate possibility. So with that said, we're going to wrap it up there. Keep this short. Thanks for your time. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, it's the links in the description below. Zach and I both support the channel, as well as some other great YouTube creators, all with one goal: to help educate you, keep you updated, and more informed. We'll see you. Bye.